Hi, Lily. Psst.
Lily. Hi, Lily. Look at Mommy's a good girl. Hello, sweetheart.
Who's a happy princess? Who's my happy princess?
Good girl. Look at you get up there. All right.
All right. Hi, big girl.
Are you going to come over here? Hi. You going to come say hi to Lily?
Luna.
Say hi. Hello, Luna. You're so pretty. Girl, what a smile. Hi. A big smile.
She smiles with her whole face and she wrinkles her nose. I think it's hilarious.
Aaron.